When your vehicle begins to feel sluggish, bring it to Luke's Auto Repair at 146 Mason Street in Onalaska. Their highly skilled mechanics can work on any make or model of vehicle you own. Engine troubles, diagnostics, alignments, tune-ups, oil changes, new tires, you name it, they do it. And at a price that will not break the bank. All of Luke's mechanics are ASE certified, and Luke is Saturn certified. The mechanics at Luke's will be more than happy to sit down and explain the problem and cost of the repair before the repair is done. Luke's Auto Repair, off Highway 35 on Main Street in Onalaska. Call today.